These eggs.
So these are called Shakems. Shakes. Shakems? Shakems.
Pony.
You got a unicorn one.
Yeah,
See
you
that?
want to see the unicorn?
Yeah, so there's a unicorn one. And it's called a unicorn slime egg. And this one.
I want to see this.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
And this one is called an ice age frozen egg. Right. So you two have to work together and you have to open the egg.
She's so excited.
She is very excited.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've got a sticky label here.
Yeah. And open. My hands are a little bit sharp, so that's why I can open it.
These are the instructions. Okay.
She wants to open it.
Her one says got one egg, dino toy, dino bones, dye bottle, funnel, hammer and chisel.
Open.
So we're going to have to open it. Do you want some help opening it?
Yeah. So you got to open it.
Okay, we have to wait for Savannah.
No, wait, Hannah.
We have to wait for Savannah. You have to do it together at the same time.
Yeah.
Do you need help or are you okay?
Ooh.
Oh, you did it.
Yeah, if I like it, I can still open it.
Okay. Thank you.
That's okay.
Okay, and the other one.
Oh, it's another.
Ooh, okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, let's see.
But we got to put water in the first.
Okay, you see, you've got some bones in there.
But she has two.
I think we need that. Okay, cool. Right, Gina's is ready. Okay, so let's put everything to the side. Not yet, not yet.
I'm going to show you.
Right, so let's do one at a time. Yeah?
This is my unicorn.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, what's in
Yeah,
there?
it has a hand.
Let's see what you've got in your one. So you've got an egg, a toy,
Oh, I got pink
slime
and purple.
powder,
Mummy, I got pink and purple.
you got glitter,
Yeah.
so you've got pink and purple
And white.
and white.
Purple is my favourite colour.
We know it is.
But don't you want to?
Okay, let's do one at a time. Let's do Gina's first.
Okay, I have this again. And I also have this.
Great. Okay, let's keep yours separate. Let's keep yours separate and let's keep Gina's separate. And let's help Gina do hers first, yeah? So Gina, Savannah's gonna help you do your, okay, so we need this. Okay, so what you need to do is put the dinosaur and the bones in the egg. Go on then, Gina.
No, not toys. No.
And the dinosaur.
No.
Yeah, and the dinosaur.
makes
Okay,
like-
now you cover it. Put this back on. You don't, no, you don't put that in there.
It has a rainbow hole.
Okay, now get this.
Not this.
Okay, put top on the egg. Okay?
Okay.
Now you hold it.
Okay.
Okay, and you get that funnel. Yes, this one. Ooh, okay, so one of you needs to hold it. So Savannah, you can hold this.
Yeah.
Okay, you put that in the top bit in the hole. Now we put some water in there.
Yeah, but be careful with it. It can spill.
Okay, so hold the egg.
Like I told you. Oh, it's coming to the top. It's coming down and down and down now. And that. No. Okay. But where's the lid?
So So what we need to do
There.
is then leave that back in there. Put that back in there.
And glue.
Put some drops of that in there. That's right. Okay, that's fine. Now we need to cover it. Okay, you know what we need to do now? Wait. We're not done yet.
Is it fill up?
Yeah, it's not full up yet.
Wait for
Ooh.
Need a croquette. Need this and this.
And then what we do with Gina's one, we come back tomorrow because we're going to put this in the freezer.
Yeah.
It freezes. And then you hit it. Are you ready for tomorrow? We'll put this in the freezer.
But what about mine?
Your one we'll do now. And Gina's one, we'll check it tomorrow.
But we're not to check mine today.
We're doing yours right now.
Well,
Okay, right.
No, Mommy.
Okay, cover that. Okay, put your uniform back in there.
I'll help her.
You can help her.
Wait. I think I know. Teacher. I put slime in there. Put what?
Close it.
Slime.
Yeah, it'll be slime in a minute.
Okay. I'll just shake it. No. Put it fish up. Yep. Put it
Okay, well done. Now use this again.
Should we just place it on the tape now? Let me.
Yeah, you can both help. You hold the egg. Okay. Gina, you hold the egg.
Okay.
I'll put some water in. Savannah, you hold the egg too.
And I can put some drops in there. Yeah. Not me. I know.
Stop moving the egg.
Because it's going down.
Okay. Now, take your time. This is a slime powder. Now take your time and put it in. Okay, Gina, hold it still. Right. Yeah. Ooh, careful.
Hold it up, hold it like that.
Okay, tap it a little bit.
Tap it. Put it down and down.
Yeah. We're going to put all of that in. All of it.
All wet.
Okay, we struggled, but we got the slime in.
Yeah.
Now, pick which colour glitter you want to put in there.
I want to put in purple.
Okay. Put the whole thing in there.
Yeah. I opened it all by myself. No, you.
Yeah. Careful, let her do it.
Make it fun. It's going all the way down.
Yeah, put all of it in there. All in. Now, what dye do you want to put in? This one?
Yeah. Is it purple?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, careful.
One.
I think you just put all of it in. Careful.
Okay.
Do this.
It's like it's drinking it. Like a drinking?
Okay, now
And
take this out.
yeah.
Okay. And
Put the cap on.
the cap on. Now, cap on. Okay, now Savannah, take the bottle and be really careful and shake it.
Me? I don't mind. I don't
Your
mind.
one goes in the freezer, so you will do your one tomorrow.
And do
Okay,
it.
now shake it more. Keep shaking it.
Mom, she's home. She knows to put her shoes on.
Okay, put your shoes on then.
I can't.
Okay. Right. Ooh.
Sorry. I don't know how to open with the clip. Oh my arm.
Okay.
Here it is. It turned to slime.
Yeah, it will turn to slime.
It went on my dress.
Yeah.
Yeah. And mine. Oh. Think it's on the camera. Fine. So fun.
Careful.
I want to hide her. Some glitter. And fun. And it bubbles.
Where's bubbles?
Like
Okay.
bubbles. Like real bubbles. Gina. Smile.
No. You can't eat that. Are you crazy scientist girl?
Candy. Candy.
Look, the crazy scientist is back.
Candy.
What candy?
And explode the slime on everyone. Yo! Yes!
You're going to take over the world with slime?
Yes! Yes!